Eke, Oye, Afọ, Nkwo, Mbilibo Jogolonem. It's me belem nani. Ukumu dinani mbilibo jogolonem. Apo mwata onu tata nani. Kansi akwa every December. Kan wata gesi kwa. Oga akwu mwa. Mbilibo jogolonem. Oga akwu mwa. Mbilibo jogolonem. Oga akwu mwa. Enoge iga akwu mwi. Enoge iga akwu mwi. Richard iga akwu mwi. Nga agwa that na mobu adolye. Adolye kambu. Adolye kambu. Tata bombosi amana bombosi tata na nebo but omlibo jogolonem asim bat ne no ge ga kwumwa enoge ga kwumwa Richard ga kwumwa ga my the pain o dey take madu mwa mblibo jogolonem enoge ga kwumwa o enoge ga kwumwa o umwa ga nwunanya.
Dale people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Perigold and Enoge matter. Now I want to talk about today. This matter now don't they pass Joromi. This Perigold and Enoge, they be goddaughter and godfather. But this one where you say two of them now come they insult each other now. It not just make sense at all. At least Enoge, if Perigold not still behave mature, may you still behave mature. You understand? Perigold na small pikin. So, and that man when you take call and goddaughter before, he's supposed to just remain like that. All those kind of saga here, saga there, we don't tire. You understand? It don't really make sense. What he calls this problem? So now just very simple something. And that word when he talk, say, and the swear one and the swear for our children. So not go affect the children, but to go affect una will be the parents. And maybe she not look and say na insult. But for you, na insult. So this is just very simple. Something where you for your call and tell and say, this is the way you talk. So I not just like am, you not just do this thing way. I believe say this thing, if I don't resolve, all those kind quarrel, it don't really make sense at all. Every time, even I want on social media now. So fight. Benin people. Una not the shame for our family, like family go they wash all those things. Una not the shame. Say if family see all those things, it not go good for eye at all. You understand? Mona stop this quarrel of a thing. I see Perigold come out now. They swear for Enoge enemy children. You know. Not be small swear. Someone has stop this thing, I beg. It's not good. People know they enjoy this saga again. I enjoy every day quarrel. I'm only make sense now. And I understand. I'm only make sense. And I need to stop this thing when they do so, And I need to stop her. When I get children, if una children they watch this thing now, it not go good. Your children will come grow tomorrow now. Come see all those nonsense that they do for social media. So they're not go there happy now. You understand? Enoge and the Perigold. And Enoge, when I can still use the children, if you keep wait meme till they laugh and say, if you keep wait meme and say, she go do the vaga for outside before she come back. Then if you keep meme, that was not good. Person wake up, you know to say, as when I talk that word that day, the thing see they pain her. You can't remember a Pekin again, a very beautiful girl like that, you know. So that word when I use it not good. And I see where your wife talk say, it's still a womb. You know if you talk that kind of thing, you are not God. You understand? You are not God. So Mona stop this thing. At least Enoge was supposed to tell Enoge make it stop. You supposed to tell your husband, make it stop. You understand? All those kind of insults here. Come they swear for children. For me, I'm not going to make somebody insult my children. If you want your result to that one, so you just stop. Yeah, because I don't say not be say this one want to do them anything and I was not they talk, but to even insult my pikin say me not just want at all. You understand? Someone has stopped this saga. I just see video where Perigold they swear not be small swear. She was really, really angry, like seriously. She dey vex badly. She carry water for hand, they speak her language, they swear. You know, if they swear, they swear for your enemy children. You know good now. I'm gonna stop this saga. Saga here. You know go. You know they bring better thing. That's just the real truth. Saga no they bring better thing. Eh? You know they able to find how person want to solve this you and Benjamin and the Vera. Eh? How person go take stop and me una stop. As Vera they insult your children, you they insult Vera children. So for me, it doesn't really make sense. Eh? Una not use mouth to talk for this social media again without una not insult the children. Eh? Una not dey fit use mouth take insult person again. Eh? So una must add children oh join. Una not dey add children oh join again. Ah you know ya tiebo. No one wa insult bieka. Hmm? It's not good. If you love your children, stop all those saga of a thing. Don't insult somebody's children when you love your own. Don't insult somebody's children. Don't insult somebody's children when you love your own children. Don't insult or know that person. You. It's not good. But una stop this thing. Una not go here now. Una not go here. Eh? Una not go here. Social media don't. It just turn on that thing for Benin people. It just turn on that thing. Not be only Benin people be they this social media. Yoruba they do saga. Even what say they call themselves? Igbo they do saga. But their saga not they be like this way go just long. You not go finish again. No. If they do small, they'll see rest. I know they even see they say that they insult children self. What would they talk of waiting the apple for Niger? Eh? All those callers where they call now they say continue right on. They go they put fire. They did their house oh. They did their house. Yeah, nobody they see them oh. One they know that one. So all those saga yes, saga that. When we take them easy, it not really make sense again because this insult, we're going to insult children. I not just like that one at all. All those children, one they put for inside. Children not say on a saga. Children not say on a someone go they do saga, on a come begin they insult them. It's not good, eh? It doesn't really make sense. You understand? It don't make sense at all. So, Mona stop all those saga of a thing. Make everybody they enjoy, they jolly the way we they do it before for the social media. Not be the way it can't be now. No learning. Yesterday they watched Lolo. I see say she bring 2 boys come out. See how they get voice, they get talent. They get talent to sing, but nobody to sponsor them. You understand? Now those kind of things that was supposed to they do for social media. They not be able to play audio, so they play this go record person, content they do saga, all those things. More will stop and will be Benin. Edo, that will be. So we have to stop all those things. What would they do? So my people, anything want to think about the video, more than leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.